Good morning and welcome to week 1 of Online Finite. If this is the first video you've viewed on this webpage, make sure that after this you go down and watch the welcome video as well, and please read the testing information announcement and the calculator announcement, and watch the video about my math lab, and there's a first day announcement. So what I want you to do is, if you haven't yet already, kind of go through each announcement, see what the information is, and watch the videos if one is provided. This will help you understand how the course works and how the web page is set up, and it'll be very useful for you. So this is our week 1 update announcement. There'll be one of these every week. There's obviously a lot more information because it's the first day, so all this stuff, please go over that. So what I want to do for this one is talk about what's due on week 1. What's going to be due Sunday at midnight coming up. So if I go up here, I'm going to go to my class sessions. Just kidding. Course information. Go to course information. This is really where you'll find all the assignments. So once we get through the instructor stuff, here's my information again. Okay, the course calendar is what we're going to go every week to see what's due. If you want to print off a copy, you can download it here and print one off, but it's also on the web page. So here we have week 1, or session 1. This is where we are. Each session is a week, so right now we're on session 1. You have to read through the syllabus, do the first 2 sections. Here's what's going to be due: homework 1, and quiz 1, and quiz 1-2, and a discussion 1. So these are the assignments that are due. To get the homework and quizzes, you have to go to my math lab. So back on announcements, make sure you go through the My Math Lab video to learn how that works. So you do those 2. You also have to do a discussion. So if we go to discussions, here's the first discussion, discussion 1, section 1. What it wants you to do is tell us your name, area of study, where you're from, what makes you unique, kind of a get to know you thing. Also indicate whether you're an in-state or out-of-state student. If you're in-state, you're going to take your test on the Ivy Tech campus. If you're out-of-state, you're going to use ProctorU. Now, a lot of people will do discussions and they will not reply to 2 of their fellow classmates. If you do not reply to at least 2 classmates, then your discussion does not show up in my grading box, and I don't give you any points for it. So until you reply to 2 students, I can't actually give you a grade, and you're going to get a grade of a 0. And so go ahead and get your discussion in. Obviously, if you're the first person, you have to check back later. Reply to at least 2, and that's on every single discussion. So make sure you do that. Okay, I'm going to stress that every time because I want to make sure you get the points for that. All right, so going back to course information, you got the discussion, you have 2 quizzes, and you have the homework. So get that done by this date at midnight.